Hi friends, I'm Kitty and welcome to Kitty Cat Kids for Christ. Today we're going to play with magnets and learn about the Epiphany and the Nativity. Are you guys ready to play? Let's go! Okay friends, here's our magnet scene. Let's see what magnets we have. Our first magnet is one of the Magi, or 3 wise men. Next we have a shepherd. Look at the little sheep. And we have our next wise man. And our third wise man. The wise men's names were Casper, Melchior, and Balthazar. And they carried gold, frankincense, and myrrh to baby Jesus. This was on the Feast of the Epiphany, which is celebrated in the Catholic Church on January 6th. We have a lot of really cute animals that we're going to add to our Nativity and Epiphany scene. We have this cow, a rooster. We also have a bunch of angels which we can add. Here's our first angel. Here's another one playing some music for Jesus. Here's a third angel. I can't wait to set these up. They're gonna look fantastic. They're going to be singing joyful praises to the Lord. Look at the star. We're going to have a lot of star in our scenes. The Magi followed a star to find Jesus when they visited him. Here's our next page of magnets. We have a camel. And a second camel. And one more camel. We have a whole bunch of sheep for our shepherd. Aren't they adorable? Next, we have Saint Joseph, the foster father of Jesus, and Mary, holding sweet baby Jesus. Okay friends, let's put our magnets on our nativity scene. There's the donkey, which Mary rode, and of course Mary and Jesus, Saint Joseph, Let's put our sheep on the magnet board next. There's one sheep, two sheep, three sheep, four sheep, five sheep, a shepherd holding the sixth sheep, and a shepherd holding the seventh sheep. Next we have the three wise men, Casper, Melchior, and Balthazar. The three wise men are holding gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Next we have our three camels. Let's add a few more animals to our scene. They're so cute. We're going to add some stars too. And a few beautiful angels. This turned out great, guys. We have our sheep and shepherds, Saint Joseph and Mary, the three wise men, beautiful angels, some camels, and other animals. I can't wait for you to join us next time. May God bless you and have a great day. Did you know that you can bless your home for Epiphany? To do so, you use blessed chalk to write 20, cross C, cross M, cross B, cross, and the last two digits of the year. You can write this over the top of your front door using the chalk and update it every year.